Welcome to WheelCheck Review. Imagine stepping into the future of luxury travel with the 2026 Buckshot Motorhome Truck. A machine that merges raw truck power with the comfort of a rolling penthouse. At first glance, its bold stance and aerodynamic design make it look more like a futuristic hauler than a traditional motorhome. The exterior is crafted with sharp lines, LED lighting accents, and a commanding grille that gives it a unique road presence. Inside, the Buckshot completely redefines expectations. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by a spacious lounge area wrapped in premium leather seating, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows that bring the outside world in. The smart layout ensures every corner is optimized, offering a full kitchen with high-tech appliances, a convertible dining space, and a private master bedroom that rivals a luxury hotel suite. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome. The cockpit features a fully digital dashboard with AI-assisted driving, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras for easy maneuvering. A voice-controlled smart system allows you to adjust climate, lighting, and entertainment with just a command. Performance-wise, the Buckshot is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric engine, delivering both efficiency and strength for long journeys. It's engineered to handle highways with smoothness while still having the muscle for rugged terrains. Overall, the 2026 Buckshot Motorhome Truck isn't just transportation, it's an experience. It blends innovation, luxury, and capability, making it a dream vehicle for travelers who demand the best of both worlds: the freedom of the open road and the comfort of a five-star retreat. Would you like me to also make this script in a more engaging YouTube narrator style with hooks and excitement so it feels more natural? Enjoy your journey and like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.